Busy Noisy Safari, a wild and silly animal adventure. Dog and cat are so excited to be going on safari.
Wow!
What kinds of wild animals will they see? Oh, look, there's a lion.
Say cheese.
I've always wanted to see a lion, says Cat.
Say cheese.
Then the lion roared. Then, to their surprise, Lion asked, "Hey, are you heading into town? I need to buy new strings for my ukulele." "Yes, after our safari. Hop in," says the driver. And off they go.
Wow!
What kinds of wild animals are by the watering hole? Elephants are my favorite, says Dog. I've always wanted to see a zebra, says Cat.
Say cheese.
"Hey, can we get a lift into town?" asked Zebra. "We need to wash our beach towels at the laundromat." "Hop in," says the driver. And off they go.
Wow!
What kinds of wild animals are resting in the shade? Giraffes are my favorite, says Dog. I've always wanted to see a hyena, says Cat.
Say cheese.
"Hey, can we get a lift into town?" asked Hyena. "We need to buy some sprinkles for the cupcakes we made." "Hop in," says the driver. And off they go.
Wow!
What kinds of wild animals are high up in the trees? Monkeys are my favorite, says Dog. I've always wanted to see a toucan, says Cat.
Say cheese.
"Hey, can we get a lift into town?" asked Monkey. "We want to buy some balloons." "Hop in," says the driver. And off they go.
Wow!
So they all went to town and they all did their errands. And do you know what happened next? They had a pool party. They all had beach towels thanks to Zebra and Elephant. They all ate cupcakes with sprinkles thanks to Hyena and Giraffe. They all enjoyed the balloons thanks to Toucan and Monkey. They all listened to music thanks to Lion. And Cat and Dog had the best time ever.